Well, none of this morning's surprise announcement by the Michigan Supreme Court involving the Flint water crisis. The court ruled a judge acting as a one-man grand jury had no power to issue indictments against former Governor Rick Snyder, former Health Director Nick Lyon, and 7 others. Rod Maloney joins us live with more on today's ruling and a big defeat for Attorney General Dana Nessel. Rod.
Yeah, Kimberly, you know, this entire case has had political ramifications front to back. And today's announcement was a stunner here in Flint. They're also upset about the civil settlement, which came up to about $600 million, but they say a third of that's going to end up with attorney's fees. They're frustrated, they're concerned, and they feel a major loss here.
When the now infamous water switch came in 2014, making the Flint River the city's water supply unsafe, residents had no idea what the future held. 8 years later, resident Cynthia Haynes is overwhelmed.
Honest, I broke down and cried. I did. I broke down and cried because they really don't understand how serious this is.
She'd moved to Flint just before that water changeover, and her special needs son, Daniel, now 12 years old, ended up drinking a lot of that water, and she believes his life is forever changed for the worst. And for that,
no satisfaction is very distasteful, disrespectful, and I'm hurt. This is wrong. You poison a black city, and nobody is held accountable?
I'm angry, I'm frustrated, I'm disappointed.
Former Flint Mayor Karen Weaver is equally discouraged.
Are we surprised? No, because of the way things have gone. We have gotten slapped in the face and kicked in the behind since this whole thing started, and it continues to happen for this community.
The victims won't have their day in court.
Detroit area attorney Todd Flood was the original special prosecutor, fired from that criminal case.
That's the ugliness of this. That's the sad part. And anyone that's been involved in this, that's the sad part, you know? So that is unexplainable, and I'm still trying to process all of that mentally.
What Flint is talking about there is that he says that much of this case is too far down the tracks, that it can't meet the statute of limitations, and that will kill most of the case. The one part of the case he says that remains alive is the manslaughter case, but there is another issue with something called a taint team. Some communications between attorneys and the defendant clients got out. And so now that has to go on all over, which could be years and millions of dollars. He says at this point he believes the case is dead. Back to you.
Oh, so Rod, what is Dana Nessel's office saying about Flood's take on things?
Well, her office is saying just the opposite. They say that they can move forward with this case. They will move forward with this case, and they think they can get prosecutions. So it's up in the air right now as to who was right on all of this.
We'll see how it plays out. Rod, thanks.